In the Theraplay research project, the objective was to develop a video game for use in physical and occupational therapy. The video game was aimed at children and adolescents with cerebral palsy and adults with MS. These persons can visit physical and occupational therapists up to 3 times a week for years. The use of video games in therapy can provide more variety, motivation, and fun. However, very few video games exist that are targeted specifically at this population. Therefore, in this project, the user was given a central place in the design process, hence user-centered game design. The project started with a user and task analysis, in which we looked at who the users are, what they do, and in which environment therapy occurs. First, brainstorm sessions were organized at the various institutions. From all these ideas, a list of the best ideas was put together. The themes that emerged were further developed into game concepts in a design session with all the researchers. Paper prototypes were created for parts of these game concepts. The results were then used to refine the design that was defined in the game design document. Once the design had been defined, development could get underway. The drawings came to life, and in multiple iterations, the game evolved from a lo-fi prototype to a fully working prototype. At several moments during the development process, the game was subjected to user testing. These tests took place in a regular therapy environment. First, the therapists tried out the game themselves. Then, a number of clients tested the game under the supervision of the regular therapist. After each test iteration, the results were used to further develop and improve the game. On to the resulting video game. The game is called KungfuKeuken and consists of 4 mini-games: catching dishes, preparing recipes, collecting eggs, and flying dragons. The difficulty level of the game can be adjusted on the fly. The graphics of the game can be simplified for players suffering from visual impairments. And the therapist can track the patient's progress in the online assessment module. Thanks to the user-centered game design process, the game is tailored to the specific needs of both therapists and clients.